one of them people that only calls you when you want something. Don't you hate that fucking shit? That shit just pisses me off. You won't hear from this motherfucker for 10 fucking years. But the minute that motherfucker wants something, his stupid ass will fucking call you. Hey, I need a favor. Motherfucker, I ain't got no money. Damn sure you ain't getting my motherfucking truck. I ain't feeding your fucking ass. What the fuck do you want? Sure enough, he calls me up and says, hey, what are you doing this weekend? I said, I don't know. What do you want? I know you wanting something. He said, I don't know. I don't want nothing. I just want to know if you want to go fishing this weekend. I'm like, okay. Where are we going fishing at? And I'm thinking to myself, he ain't called me in a long time, and he wants me to go fishing with him. I guarantee you, time this weekend's over, he's gonna ask me for something. And I'm gonna tell him. So hey, we'll go down there, go fishing, have fun, drinking, whatever, having a good old time. I'm like, maybe he's changed. Maybe he didn't want nothing. Maybe he just wanted to go fishing. And on the way home, that's when shit took a hard left. I'm talking about so goddamn hard, your balls hit the windshield and you had to scrape it off with a spatula. He looked over at me, well, did you have a good time? Did you have fun fishing with me at my special spot? I'm like, yeah, I had fun. It was a good time, whatever. And I'm thinking to myself, yeah, this is where he's going to ask me for something. I'm just waiting on to hear what it is. He looked at me and says, I really do need a favor. And I'm thinking to myself, what? He said, I got myself in a big bind. A big pickle I need to get myself out of. And I said, what the hell? Why do you need me to get you out of it? You got yourself in it, why can't you get yourself out of it? Well, that's why I need to ask you something. He looked at me dead in the eyes. I need you to be gay with me for about a week. You want me to do what? Be gay with you? For a week?